guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fresh-faced spring makeup tutorial. So I have partnered up with FabFitFun. You guys have seen my other unboxing videos most likely. And I just got the spring box recently, and look how cute the design is on the front. I love the tropical plants and the cactuses. It actually has me really excited for summer. Typically what I do is I'll do an unboxing with the FabFitFun box every season and show you guys what's included and sort of open up all the products. And I'm seeing them for the first time, so you guys get my first impressions. And this time I wanted to do a tutorial using the products. So I did look at them a little bit ahead of time and play around with them so I knew what kind of a look I wanted to do. So if you haven't seen my previous unboxings and you're not familiar, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box service, and it contains full-size products, everything from beauty, fashion, there's always some amazing jewelry in there, lifestyle, wellness products. It's pretty much every single category of your life gets a little refresh 4 times a year. Each box is $49.99, but it has a value of over $200 for each season. Plus you can get $10 off your first box if you use my code, which is ALLI, A-L-L-I, and that code and all the information that you need will be down below in the info box. So if you're interested, make sure to check that out. So on that note, why don't we go ahead and jump on into the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to start off by moisturizing my skin, and I'm going to use this Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion that comes in the FabFitFun box. Full-size product, which is awesome. This is more of a lighter weight moisturizer, which is great because in the springtime we're all trying to lighten everything up and we don't need quite as much moisturization like we do in the winter months. So this is a lightweight oil-free moisturizer that provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract, a natural humectant, Queen of Meadow refined skin texture, while Arnica soothes skin for a smoother, healthier looking complexion. So after I applied the Murad lotion, I went in with my current favorite foundation. Okay, I won't do that to you guys. My current favorite foundation, this is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. I use mostly 1N1 cream with a drop of golden just to warm it up a little. Then I popped on some brows using my Lancome Sourcil Defini eyebrow pencil in 01 Blonde. So next I'm going to be using one of these KNC lip masks. These are all natural collagen infused lip masks. So I probably should have done this before I did my foundation, but it's okay. I haven't set it or anything yet, so we can touch it up then. These are super cool. They come in a little pack like this. And how many do you get? You get 5 of them. So these condition, moisturize, plump, and hydrate your lips. They're all natural, no parabens, no sulfates, no artificial dyes or fragrances, no animal testing. And you just apply these to clean lips for 15 to 20 minutes. You can use them 2 to 3 times a week, but they are definitely safe to use every day. My lips definitely feel way more hydrated, and it really didn't mess up my foundation. Don't they remind you of your childhood, like Jello Jiggler vibes for sure? Okay, let's get to work on this eye look. I'm going to start it off by using the Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer by Too Faced. This is in the shade Fairest as my eye base. So next I'm going to be using the Too Faced White Peach palette, and I'm going to take Peach Cream, which is the lightest shade here, and use it to set my lids. So next I'm going to dip into this shade right here, Peach Sorbet, with a fluffy crease brush. This is a really pretty color. It's a muted coral shade. So I'm going to work that into the crease, and this is pretty much going to be our all over color. So you can go ahead and feel free to just apply it all over, bring it down onto your lid, wing it out. Okay, so once we have applied that base color all over the eye as our, just all over color in our transition, I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and buff out the edges, just dusting it inwards. So then I'm moving on to Peach Suede, which is a pretty rosy shade, but it's a warmer rose tone. And with a smaller crease brush, I'm packing that onto the outer part of the lid and sweeping it all the way up to the crease and stopping there. You can kind of feather it just above to blend it out. Okay, so I just keep blending and blending and blending these shadows, and I just feel like it's just not quite sticking the way I want to. I think once I get the rest of my makeup on, it'll be pretty and soft. But I'm gonna go in with the Kathleen Lights by ColourPop Dream Street palette and pick up this really peachy tone color right here. But I just feel like I need something with a bit more pigmentation just to pull it all together. I'm not getting the shading that I was really looking for. So now I feel like we got something going on. Okay, we're gonna soften the edges of that. So I use this peachy shade Magical, and then I'm gonna go in with Shooting Star just to give us a little bit more definition in the crease, and at this point I've pretty much covered over all of those other tones from the other palette. So if you just want to stick to these two shades for this look, feel free to do that. Since that first eyeshadow palette was giving me so much trouble, I think this next product from the FabFitFun box will come in handy. This is a massage roller, and it's by 57 Physique, or Physique 57. It has two little rollies like this with nubs on them, so you can really get in there and de-stress. Little does Josh know he's going to be using this on my back later. Before I do my concealer and kind of clean up this fallout, I'm going to take that lighter color peach cream and just apply it under the arch of my brow to tone down some of those orange colors. For my concealer today, I stuck with an oldie but goodie, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I just mixed custard and chantilly because I'm sort of falling in between shades right now, so I mixed those two together, applied them underneath my eyes for my concealer. And next I'm going to take this J-Cat Aura Glow. This is the liquid highlighter in the shade White Goddess. It's more of a creamy yellowy gold type of color. I've noticed with the air being so dry still, my highlight looks so much better if I just put a liquid highlighter underneath it to maintain that hydration in my skin. So I'm just gonna bounce that onto my cheekbones using my beauty blender. Sometimes I'll even pop a little bit on the forehead. And there is also a deeper bronzy copper shade as well that I think would look really pretty on deeper skin tones. And now I'm going to set my under eyes using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fair 05. And just tap a light amount of that in. Okay, so now I'm going to set the rest of my face using this Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder in shade number 2. This is just going to ensure that we have a radiance to our skin. It has a really finely milled texture, and it just sort of gives a hint of luminosity while setting your foundation at the same time. Okay, so I'm gonna give my face a spritz of MAC Fix Plus. And while I let that setting spray dry down, I wanted to show you guys this adorable clutch that also comes in the FabFitFun box. This is by Rachel Pally, and this clutch, I'm just gonna say it feels expensive. So it's like a solid color cream on one side, and I think it comes in 3 different color options. And then on the other side, it's like a taupey blue floral, super pretty, so definitely reversible. And it has like a little tassel zipper pull. And what I like to do with these is I'll actually put my most necessary items like my ID, my money, my debit card, that kind of thing. I'll put them in one of these and then throw this in my bigger daytime bag, so that at nighttime I can transition really quickly to dinner or whatever and just grab this right out of my bag, but I kind of carry it with me at all times. So that's just kind of what I do with these little clutches and things. That way I don't have to transfer all my stuff every time I want to switch to a smaller bag. And then the next item in the box that I'm going to put on right now, this is by Maya Brenner, Los Angeles. And it's a little silver bracelet, really dainty. I've said this before, but they always have the cutest jewelry. This is, and it says love. So next I'm going to take the shade Fire Crystal from the Kilowatt Highlighter Duo from Fenty Beauty. And I'm going to apply that to my cheekbones. Then I'm going to take that same Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder by Laura Mercier, this time in shade 3, and use that as my bronzer. That's when this highlighter is going to look way more normal after you blend some cheek color and some face color into it. So a lot of times I will skip the blush, but I feel like with a look like this, where even though we're using color, it is lighter, so I feel like more color on the cheeks helps to balance everything out and bring your skin forward a bit more. So this is the MAC Warm Soul Blush. Okay, so I just applied my Benefit They're Real mascara, and I think this look is leaning more towards soft color versus just really fresh face. I mean, we did keep the skin very fresh. So I'm just going to go with it and take some of this lighter pink color Peach Smoothie from the White Peach palette and just see if I have some better luck with that one. On the lower lash line, I just want to apply a very light amount of it just to get a little bit of a different color in there. I feel like that one is showing up in some of the better than some of the darker colors in the palette. But I am going to take some more of the Peach Suede, just pop it into this outer part of the lower lash line, just because I want a little bit of color contrast going on. Okay guys, so I just added my House of Lashes Iconic Lights lashes, and I feel like they're really perfect for this look. They just kind of give you that doe-eyed appearance to your eyes. I'm just taking my ColourPop Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek color, which is actually a really great inner corner highlight. It's so reflective. So I'm just gonna put that right around the inner corners, and I always just sort of pop it in the highest points of my face, like so. And the next product in the box is this gorgeous lip palette by Ish. And this was made in collaboration with fellow YouTuber Alex Garza. So I think that is so awesome. The colors in here are so gorgeous. I think this one is a balm. It does come with a little lip brush here. So I'm going to start off with the balm just to prep my lips. The best thing about a lip palette is you can mix them all together and create a custom color. So I'm going to start off with this shade right here. And I think what I'm going to end up doing is apply this and then blend some of the peachier, lighter, like nude colors into it. So I really love this formula. It's super creamy and easy to apply. Like I didn't even use a lip liner or anything like that, and just using the brush, it's easy to get a really nice crisp line. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see. I think I'm going to use this nude color and just kind of blend that over top. I think I'm actually going to add some of this shade in here too. I'm just mixing all the colors together. It's really easy to play around with it. I have not done a shade like this in a tutorial in a while, and I'm really digging it. Just like the two contrasting colors. Okay guys, I'm actually going to do one last finishing touch for this look. This is the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Crayon in the shade Plumage. And I'm just gonna pop that right into my lower waterline, like just in the outer part. So in your FabFitFun box, you're also going to get the Free People and Understated Leather Cooling Eye Mask. It has this amazing squishy feel to it, so I'm assuming you can just pop this in your refrigerator and then put it on your eyes. I'm definitely going to be taking this on my bachelorette party because I'm going to Charleston in like 2 weeks for my bachelorette, and I feel like I don't even care if anybody on that plane judges me. I'm just going to pop this on and let the relaxation ensue. You're going to get some money off a HelloFresh subscription, so it's sort of a gift card for HelloFresh. That's really cool. And then this is the Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. So this is for your nails. So it has keratin peptide in it, and it says it brilliantly conceals nail imperfections, successfully fills in ridges, strengthens weak, brittle, hard to grow nails, and it also treats acrylic or gel damaged nails. Hello, that's exactly what I have. Oh, and it has a little bit of a color tint to it. And then we have a candle, which I've already checked out, and it's really cute, but I'm going to show you the box too. So this is the Anderson Lily No. 1 Manhattan Beach candle, and this has notes of bergamot. I never know how to say that word. Bergamot? Musk, white jasmine, Brazilian softwoods, citrus, and heliotrope. And it is an adorable copper candle. It's so pretty. So this is going to be perfect for my vanity back there. I love this so much, and it smells amazing. So that is everything that comes in the FabFitFun Spring 2018 box, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this makeup tutorial. I just wanted to switch it up a little bit so I could show you guys the products on my face and you could see what they look like in action. So I love how this makeup turned out with the different pops of color on the face. It's just a little bit different for me. So make sure you use my code ALLI so you can get $10 off your first box if you sign up for a subscription. And yeah, I think that's everything that I had to tell you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I love you so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!